Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to make the perfect banana puff puff, and this might be your new favorites. Here are the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. I'll start by peeling the ripe bananas. I'll mash the bananas until they're about 80% mash. I like to have a little bit of the chunks in it. If you prefer it smooth, then you can make it smoother, and you can use a fork to mash the bananas as well. I'm using banana flavor. You can use vanilla extract. I'll add the flavor and set it aside. In a bowl, I will add all-purpose flour, and the flour is sifted already. Sugar, powdered milk. I'm using instant yeast, and instant yeast doesn't need to be proofed before use. I'll add the yeast, salt. The salt shouldn't have direct contact with the yeast. The salt will kill the yeast. I'll grate in nutmeg. Mix until they are well combined. Add the mashed bananas. I'll be using warm water. The water shouldn't be hot and it shouldn't be cold. Add the water gradually, and I'll mix until I get a smooth batter. This is what the consistency of the puff puff batter should look like. And once that is smooth, I'll remove the spatula. I'll cover the puff puff batter and leave it to rise for 1 hour until it doubles or triples in size. How long it takes it to rise depends on the temperature of your house. Next, I'll add oil in the pan and start heating it up. One hour later, the puff puff batter has risen well. I'll give it a gentle stir to remove the airs from it. And it's time to fry the banana puff puff. I'll check the oil temperature with a skewer. Once the skewer starts to fry, that means the oil is hot. I'll fry the banana puff puff on a medium heat. If the oil is too hot, the puff puff is going to fry outside and inside it will be uncooked. So be sure to fry them on medium heat. And I'll use a skewer to turn the puff puff. Leave them to fry. Once they are fried on one side, I'll flip them to the other side to fry as well. After some time, I'll turn them so they can have a uniform color. And at this point, my kitchen smells divine. I can perceive the aroma from the banana. And once they are ready, I'll remove them from the hot oil and transfer them to a strainer to take out any excess oil from the puff puff. And I'll repeat the process with the rest. And when they are golden brown, they are ready. I'll remove them from the hot oil. The banana puff puff is ready. Just look at how beautiful they look. They smell amazing, very soft, and they tasted absolutely delicious. Let's open it and see what it looks like. Can you see this? Super soft, and they tasted absolutely delicious. Will you be trying out this recipe? If you do, I'd like to know how yours came out. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.